So guys, meron tayong dalawang order. B60 at saka ice mocha. So unahin ko yung ice mocha no, kasi napaka-easy lang yun. So tara, let's go. At ito yung ating ice mocha. Ready to serve na tayo guys. Ayan. So tapos na, very easy lang guys no. Thank you for watching.